Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today we're gonna go over 15 Alfa Romeo Giulietta problems and their DIY fixes. We're gonna start with the stupidest one of them all. As you can see right here, this handbrake button can get stuck inside. I'm guessing that Alfa engineers had drifting in mind. Now to fix this little issue, all you gotta do is smack the handbrake from the top, and as you can see, the button pops out. Another relatively common issue that happens on Alfa Romeo Giuliettas as they age are the sagging door panels. However, with this stretchable fabric, some spray adhesive, and a little bit of effort, you can make your door panels look like new and save yourself at least 200 euros. Moving on to the antenna and poor radio reception. Now the only real solution to this problem is to replace this antenna. The process is not totally complicated, you can easily do it yourself. Make sure that you replace the wiring as well. However, do not make the same mistake that I did. Don't install this shark fin antenna, go for something a bit more reliable. The one thing that annoys me most on Italian cars is gonna be the squeaky suspension, which is most pronounced during the winter time. Now, in most cases, the problem is gonna be in these sway bar bushings. They get dry and they produce that recognizable sound. Now, to fix this issue, grab yourself a little bit of silicone spray and soak them down well. Ideally, the best thing would be to take everything apart, grab yourself a tube of silicone grease and grease those bushings up well. The next thing on our list is going to be the turbo banjo bolt, which is going to be this little guy right here, and it can cause you a huge expense. The main reason for that is that there is a small filter inside that bolt which can get clogged up over time, starve the turbo of oil, and of course that's going to result in the turbo failure. However, even if you are meticulous with your oil changes as I am, that little filter can start breaking down and clogged up the small hole which feeds the oil to the turbo. Now the solution for this is going to be very simple. All you got to do is drill out that little plastic filter, or you can use a flathead screwdriver to pull it out. Another very annoying issue on this car is the one with the storage compartment. Now it's made from very cheap plastic and the hinges in the back break and then the lid just won't open. Now the solution for that problem is relatively simple, but it does require some effort. All you gotta do is secure the hinges first, then you can add these little springs to the back and screw in these screws into the dash. And now you can see that the storage compartment works perfectly. Moving on to noisy wipers. This is another very common and very annoying issue. However, the solution is also very simple. All you gotta do is bend the wiper arms a little bit, so keep this side stationary while you pull up on this part right here. Just make sure that you don't use too much force and that you don't break anything. Another stupid problem on Alfa Romeo Giulietta is the one with the interior door handles. These tend to break off. Now if you go to the parts store, they're gonna suggest that you replace the whole door panel, which can be quite expensive. The main reason why they are suggesting that is because the door handle is actually melted in place. However, you can replace just the door handle itself. You can buy it for maybe like 10 euros. And if you want to see how to do that, I'll put a link down to the full video in description. Moving on to the boot wiring looms. The first symptoms you might experience are going to be the faulty taillights or even the faulty boot button. Now there are two wiring looms that lead to the boot lid, and the issue rises when the wires inside here break. The solution for this is again gonna be very simple. All we gotta do is move this rubber boot and re-solder the wires, and it is one of the issues you can't wait on fix it as soon as possible, because these broken wires can actually damage the body control module. Another very common issue you might experience on your Alfa Romeo Giulietta are gonna be the vibrations inside the cabin. Now, besides the vibrations you can clearly feel inside, you might also experience some plastic trim rattle and the vibrations of the side mirrors. The main cause of this particular issue is going to be this top right engine mount. It can be quite problematic to diagnose since this rubber inside is hard to inspect, and it can even seem in the good condition. However, the engine mount drops down a little bit, and that in return transfers all of the vibrations from the engine inside the cabin. Now, the solution is very simple. All you gotta do is replace the engine mount, and you can easily do this yourself. The engine mount itself costs around 80 to 100 euros, and the garage would charge you at least double that for the same job. Now, another very common issue on Alfa Romeo Giulietta is the problem with the exterior temperature sensor. It can go wild. Now, when it's outside, maybe like 20 degrees, it can show you negative 40 and something like that. Solution for this is again gonna be very simple. You have to replace the sensor inside the right side mirror. It is one of those little jobs that you can easily do yourself and save potentially 50 to 100 pounds. The sensor itself only costs around 10-15 euros. Another issue that I had to face in this car was the broken fuel door. Now the pin which holds the door itself breaks off. It's made from the cheap plastic, so instead what I did, I put a metal pin which is pretty much impossible to break, and as you can see, the fuel flap works perfectly. Another very common issue on Alfa Romeo Giulietta is going to be the problem with the recirculation motor. Now this little thingy breaks off, and you can usually find it in the driver's footwell. Now, to fix this problem, you have to remove the recirculation motor. If you take your car to a garage, they're going to charge you at least like 300-400 euros, which is a lot of money, but you can actually fix this issue yourself. However, it does require a lot of effort and some mechanic gymnastics. If you want to see how to do that yourself, I'm gonna put a link to the video down in the description below. Next, if you encounter the water in the boot which collects right here, that means that you have a problem with the wiper seal right here. Now, if you need a temporary solution, you can use just a little bit of silicone and put it right behind the seal. However, if you want to solve this issue permanently, you have to replace this wiper seal. Another problem that I had on my Alfa Romeo Giulietta, which many of the fellow Giulietta owners share, is the poor visibility at night. To fix this issue, I tried pretty much everything from ultra bright halogen bulbs that you just saw to LED bulbs, which is another pretty good solution. However, the best fix for this particular problem are the bi-LED projectors that you can see here. However, the problem with the bi-LED projectors is that you have to take your headlights apart, and it is quite labor intensive. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.